Hello YouTube and welcome back. This is video number 12 in my series on utilizing Blender as a video editor. Now if you look above, you can see that there is a video with me and me. How is that possible? Well, we're going to utilize masking to create this combination effect that allows you to star in videos with yourself. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to record the actual videos with a common background. Put yourself on the left side in one video and put yourself on the right side in the other video. I've already done that. So let's go to Add and let's go to Movie, and we're going to add our first movie. And the thing I have to do now is I need to go to the Gimp program. We're going to need the Gimp program to create our mask image. Now, we have to make sure that it is the same size or resolution as the video file. So we know that that video is 1280 by 720. So we're just going to create one. I'm going to zoom out holding Control and down on my mouse wheel. Now all I have to do is make one part of this image black and the other part white. So I know that the first video, as you can see here, has me on the left side. So I want to block out the right side, and the blocking color is going to be black, and the color that shows through is going to be white. So I just need to block out the right side. We're going to do that by selecting the right side. I'll just guess, try to put it in the center. There we go. And I'm going to fill with black. And I'm going to export this to my pictures folder. There we go. And I'm going to call it left white .png. Okay, let's export that. There we go. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing to the opposite file that's on the opposite side. So I'm just going to reverse this. So I'm going to click on the Gimp program, and I'm going to Control-Z to get it back to just the selector, and I'm going to go up to Select on the top, and I'm going to invert. And now I'm going to fill the opposite side, and I'm going to File, Export, and we're going to call this one right white. There we go. Let's save that. Perfect. Now we can close this down. We don't need this anymore. We've created our mask, or set of masks. There we go. I can close this completely. Okay, we're back here. Now we have our first video, and we want to overlay the mask. So what we need to do is we first need to import the mask image that will block out the right sides. We want the white left one so we can see this, but we want to block this part out. So go to Add, Image, and we're going to go to here, and we want the left white. There we go. That's going to allow us to see through the white part and block out the black part. Now we're going to stretch this to cover the whole video. Drop that there. And now we're going to select our mask layer with our right mouse button, and we're going to select our video with our right button. We're holding Shift to multi-select. And we're going to go to Add and Effect Strip, and we're going to go to Multiply. And there we go. So now you can actually see where it was white, I can see the video, and where it was black, it blocked it out. So you don't need the actual, you don't need to actually be able to see the video or the mask anymore, so you want to hide them. You want to right-click on the image that we use as a mask and hit H, and it goes translucent. And the same thing with the video at the bottom. Hit H on it. That hides those two. Everything that we need is in this multiply layer. So that's the only thing we want to be visible other than your audio. Obviously, you want that to be available. So we've done one side. We're done there. So now we just need to do the other side. So we're going to add our second video. Movie. Add movie. And we're going to go here. There we go. And we're going to add our image. Go Add Image. And we're going to select the Where did I put that? Put it in here. We're going to do right white. So the right side will be the white part. And there we go. So it's going to show what's on the right, and it's going to block what's on the left. So we're going to stretch this out with our right mouse button so that it goes the full length. There we go. Now we're going to take the mask and we're going to take the video. We're going to group select them, and we're going to go to Add and Effect Strip and Multiply. And now you can see the right side is showing through and the black side is hidden. So let's also hide now that we've created the actual multiply layer, we can hide the mask image by right-clicking on it and hitting H, and the original video by right-clicking and hitting H. So the important thing is that we can hide all of the video and picture layers except for the multiplied layers. You can think of it this way. The multiply layer actually is a copy of the combination of the mask and the original video. So you don't need to have those ones visible because they already are visible in the multiply layer. So we have two visible video layers, the multiply layers, this one right here and this one right here. Now what do we need to do? We need to just simply combine the two. And it's really easy to do that. All you do is right-click on each of the masks. So you right-click, hold Shift, right-click. We have both of them selected. And we're going to go to Add, Effect Strip, and we're going to select Add, and it will add them together. There we go. We now have the two videos combined. And if I go forward, you can see where I actually pop in. So there we go. That's how you actually use a mask to combine two videos into one. This is how you talk to yourself in video form. And that should do it.